Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to clear WhatsApp chats on your Android phone. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app that allows you to stay in touch with friends and family worldwide. Over time, frequent chatting results in a lengthy message history, which can use up storage space or require more privacy than retaining long-term records. We will walk you through steps to delete all WhatsApp chats for freeing up space or increased privacy of conversations on your Android device. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone or tablet. Tap the Chats tab at the top of the screen to access your full chat list. In the top right corner of the Chats page, you will see 3 dots. Tap these dots to open the Options menu. Select Delete All Chats from the menu. A pop-up message will appear asking to confirm deleting all conversations. Tap Delete to proceed. Depending on the number of chats, the process can take a few moments to complete. Do not close WhatsApp or turn off your device during deletion. Wait for all messages, photos, videos, and media to be removed from your chats. Once deleted, close and reopen the WhatsApp app. Your chat list should now be empty, as all previous conversations have been cleared. Let others know that conversation history has been removed from your end before chatting again. Consider their privacy needs, as they may wish to delete messages on their end as well before discussing further. As mentioned in other WhatsApp how-tos, third-party apps claim additional features, but using software other than the native app introduces security risks. For a simple feature like deleting chats, the WhatsApp interface provides all necessary tools to get the job done safely and reliably. In summary, to clear WhatsApp chats on your Android phone, open WhatsApp Chats, tap the 3 dots and select Delete All Chats. Confirm the action, wait for deletion, and restart WhatsApp for an empty chat list. Let me know if other WhatsApp options or features on your Android device interest you or if any unanswered questions remain. We are here to provide helpful explanations for using WhatsApp and your tools securely and effectively. Thank you for watching. I hope this information was useful. Have a wonderful day. Please feel free to message us via comments, email, or direct message with any other topics or concerns. We cover everything related to Android, social media, productivity, and more.